dear children, welcome back to the class. Today we will have a look at one algebraic method of solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. You know, right, which chapter we are saying? Pair of linear equations in two variables. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please go to those previous videos. I think maybe four videos or 3 videos are available. I don't know, and in between there was a gap due to this family function and all. So you watch all those videos, then come to this video, then you will understand it completely. Now, whenever I write the heading like substitution method, so if you have seen my previous videos, then definitely you are going to say substitution method means it is one algebraic method. What is this? This is one algebraic method of solving what? Solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Now this is a very simple method. Substitution means you guys know about, right? In your school also, if a teacher A is not there, then teacher B will be substituted there, no? Substitution period you say. So instead of one thing you are going to substitute another thing. That's what substitution method is all about. Okay. So if the question is given like solve x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 8 by substitution method. I am going to use the shortcuts SN. You can write it completely by substitution method if they are asking how to do this. This is very simple, dear children. Now this first equation you have to take x plus y is equal to 4. Then call it as equation number 1. Is it clear? Call this as equation number 1. Now from this, can I write x is equal to 4 minus y? Can I write x is equal to 4 minus y? Yes or no? So x I have written here, y I am sending that side means it becomes 4 minus y, no? So I am going to call this as equation number 2. So by using any of these equations, you can take this equation also first, no problem. But this is complex, no? Little bit complex it is. You can make it simple also. Any one equation you have to take, then you have to find the value of x or y. I have found out the value of x, no? X is equal to 4 minus y. That is second equation. Now, second equation is it, this is the value of x. That's what I am trying to say. Alright, if this is correct, from this I have got this, both are same only. They are looking in different form, that's it. Now second equation, what is it? Second equation as in, here I named it as second, but I am going to take this and I am going to name it as third one. Anyway, whatever names are there, that is our choice, no? Those are our choices. So that is like 2x minus y is equal to 8 is there, no? So I am going to call this as equation number 3. Now I will say, put 2 in 3. Put means substitute. The meaning of put is what? Substitute means putting. That's it. Substituting. Putting there. Alright. Fine. Now, put 2 in 3 means what is the value of 2? That is like x equal to 4 minus y. No? Now, what is the value of 3 here? 3 is like 2x minus y equal to 8, right? 2. Then instead of x, can I write 4 minus y? 2 bracket 4 minus y. Can I write or not? Tell me, dear children. This is what substitution is all about. I hope you got the point. Now how to solve it? Anyway, once you get the method, you are going to do that. So 2x means, x means 4 minus y. I have put this 2 in third equation. Then as usual minus y will continue and 8 comes here. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into minus y is minus 2y. Then I am going to have minus y and that is equal to 8. Now this 8 I am going to send that side. Minus 2y minus y is minus 3y and that is equal to 8 minus 8. So minus 3y is equal to 0 means I am going to get y is equal to 0 only, no? So this minus 3 becomes divided by minus 3. 0 divided by minus 3 is as usual y equal to 0 only. Then I am going to call this as equation number 4. I got the value of y now. Now similarly I want the value of x also. So what I will say now? Put 4 in 2. Look at this. Whatever value of y I have got, no? So that I am going to put in second equation. What is the second equation? Tell me. X is equal to 4 minus y is there, no? What is the value of x? X is equal to 4 minus y. Then I am going to get x is equal to 4 minus. So y means it is 0, no? 4 minus 0 is like 4. So x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 0 are the solutions for those equations. You can have a check also. X plus y equal to 4, no? First equation. So it is like x is 4 and y is 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. So alright, this is correct. Now second is like 2x minus y is equal to 8, no? So you can have a look. 2 into x is like 4 minus y is 0. So I am going to get 8 only. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 equal to 8. So these solutions are correct. So this is called substitution method, dear children. I hope you got idea about this. Now let us get into some more questions and let us try to solve that. Okay, alright. So actually these are very simple methods: elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication. Whatever these algebraic methods are there, dear children, they are very simple. The only thing is that you have to understand the starting problem, then definitely you are going to do them. Okay, let me give you some homework. Usually all the students will be saying no homework. Students, don't say that, parents say that. So please take this homework. Okay, solve by SM. What do you mean by SM? Substitution method. The first pair of linear equations are like x plus y is equal to 8 and 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 2. Do this. Okay, second one is like x plus 2y is equal to minus 2 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, try to shorten this and try to do that. Then third one is like x divided by 2 plus y is equal to 4 and y divided by 2 plus x is equal to 8. Okay, these things I have just given it in reverse form. You try to do them, and for this you can check how many solutions are there, infinitely many solutions or unique solution or only one solution. How about the graphs of these things? Are they intersecting? Are they parallel? Are they coinciding? That's why I keep on saying you have to watch the videos in the playlist continuously. You have to watch. Yes or no? Video number 1, 2, 3, 4. If you come like that continuously, whatever number of videos are there are so many videos about the light reflection and refraction, about electricity, introduction to trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, quadratic equations, real numbers. So many chapters have been uploaded. You can watch all of them. All the total 10th standard syllabus is there. It is there. It's uploading day by day. So watch them continuously one after the other so that you get feel of it. So I hope the substitution method is very, very clear and you should be able to solve the questions by using this substitution method. Okay, fine. So I am rubbing this homework whatever I have given so that I can move to cross multiplication method. Now this cross multiplication method is also very simple. You are going to solve them and you are going to compare the answers with elimination as well as substitution method. You can compare. Now cross multiplication method. Please put a heading. Cross multiplication method. Now dear children, this is also one algebraic method, right? Cross multiplication method is also one of the algebraic methods to solve what? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Now cross multiplication, how it is done now? So first let me give you a hint how to do it. For example, what is the standard form of a pair of linear equation in two variables? That is like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, right? And next thing is like a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, right? So this is a standard form. Yes or no? And a1, b1, a2, b2, all they should not be equal to 0. We know about that. Now cross multiplication method means you have to know what is the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. You should get to know about values of all these things. For example, if the equation is given like 2x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 means if you are comparing it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 means a1, the value of a1 is 2, right? And value of b1 is 4, right? Value of c1 is 6, right? So like that, general values we have given here. So what we are going to write? We are going to write x, y and 1 here. What I am going to write here children? X, y and 1. These three variables. So x, y are variables and y is like constant term. I am going to write it. This is a method how you are supposed to do it. Then you have to start from b1 here. After b what comes? C comes, no? C1. After C what comes? A comes, no? A1. After that what comes? Tell me. B, C, A. After A what comes? B, right? Again B. I hope it is clear. Okay. How it is? We have only three things. No, A, B, C are there. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So we have to do the rotation. Look at this. This I have written here B1. And after that what comes? C1. After that what comes? A1. After that what comes? B. That's B1 I have written. So similarly we are going to write a B2, C2, A2, B2. This is the method of cross multiplication. Many people have observed these trends in number system and they got all this. And they have been given ready-made to you. You have to just understand it. That is the only way. Okay, x, y, y. You have to do that. Then afterwards B1, C1, A1, B. Just remember this. After B what comes, you will keep on getting to know about that. Then we are supposed to cross multiply this B1 into C2. Then I am going to minus this. I know you are not. Maybe you are not in a position to get it immediately. You have to write x divided by. What you are supposed to write? X divided by B1 C2. X divided by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Minus B2 C1. I hope everybody got it. And similarly, it is equal to y divided by, with y what are there? C1 A2 is there, no? So you are supposed to write C1 A2, then minus you are going to write C2 A1. Minus C2 A1. And I think third one definitely you are going to write. What is the third one? Tell me. 1 divided by tell me 1 divided by A1 B2. Yes, 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. That's it. Minus A2 B1. So this is how you are supposed to do. And this first term and third term. Now look at this. In this B1, C2, B2, C1, A1, B2, A2, B1, everything is known. Only thing which is not known is X. By using that you are going to calculate X. No? With first term and third term. And similarly second term and third term, look at this, what is not known, unknown. So these are the only things which are not known, right? So you are going to make use of all those things. Then immediately you are going to find the answer. I hope it is clear. Please have a look at this thing. Try to digest whatever is being taught there. Try to digest that, dear children. Try to digest that. That's very, very important, whatever I have told just now. I am going to solve one question on this. Okay? And other things will be homework for you. So please make a note of all these things, whatever I have told you. Very simple, right? You have to compare and you have to find A1, B1. So just now I have given you an example, no? Then X, Y1. Then you have to start from B. B, C, A, B. B, C, A, B. Then 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright, I am not going to write this again. Okay, directly in the problem we will be hitting that. Okay, alright. So let me get into a problem so that you understand it in a better way. Okay, fine. Let us take a problem here, children. Okay, I will rub it off afterwards. You take on this problem first. Okay. Otherwise, actually my habit is like I don't want to keep the board. I mean fully occupied whenever I am teaching. Okay. Solve. So simple example you take first. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6 by cross multiplication method. CMM. CMM means what? Cross multiplication method. Do that. All of you start to solve that. Pause the video and solve it. Okay. You have to pause the video. Then you have to try. Alright. Fine, dear children. So let me solve that. So what is that? I hope you have paused the video and you are solving it. Okay. So what is the first equation? That is like 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, no? So just try to bring it in standard form, right? That is like 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? Now you can compare it with what? You can compare it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then you are going to get a1, b1, c1 value. So what are the values of a1, b1, c1? Tell me. a1 equal to b1 equal to c1 equal to. Tell me what is the value of a1? a1 is going to be 2, right? And b1 is going to be 3. And similarly c1 is going to be minus 4. Okay, I hope you got it. Now similarly second equation also I can take care of that also, no? So these are the things what I got. So next is like x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y equal to 6 is there, no? Then I am going to get it as x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Alright, x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the standard form. Then I am going to have a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then I am going to have a2 is equal to 1. B2 is also equal to 1 and C2 is equal to minus 6. Look at this, A2 is 1, B2 is 1, C2 is minus 6. Alright, now it is known. All those things you got to know. This is the first step to do cross multiplication method. Then after that what I will do? I will write x here, then I will write y here, then I will write 1 here. Now tell me what should I write? Here it is a B1, right? B1, C1, A1, B1. I told you already. Okay, so what is the value of B1? Tell me. B1 is like 3, right? 3. Okay. What is the value of C1? Minus 4. Alright. Then after that A1 is like 2. Next B1 is 3. So is it okay? B1, C1, BC, AB I told you, no? B1, C1, A1, B1. So that is like 3 minus 4, 2, 3. 3 minus 4, 2, 3. Now similarly you can here also. We start from B2, no? B2 is like 1. then C2 is like, what is this? Minus 6. C2 is minus 6. Then I'm going to have A2. A2 is like 1. And B2 is again 1. Practice this, you'll get it. Don't worry much about this. Just start from here. 1, minus 6, 1, 1. Look at this. 1, minus 6, 1, 1. Like that you're supposed to do. Now you know how to do the cross multiplication. Yes or no? So just put this arrow mark so that it becomes easy for us to solve. Okay. Tell me what to write. X divided by 3 into minus 16 is not minus 16. 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. Then minus bracket 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. This minus is there in the formula, and this minus 4 has come because of these numbers 1 into minus 4. I hope you understand. And that is equal to y divided by minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Then minus bracket minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. That is also known. And that is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 into 3 is 3. Over. That's it. Now you simplify this. What is the first equation? You are going to compare first term and third term. I told you already. So x divided by minus 18 plus 4. Minus of minus means plus, right? Plus 4. And that is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This is the first step. Okay. Now similarly you are going to find the value of y also. Look at this. Y divided by, what is this? Minus 4. Minus of minus is plus 12, right? Minus of minus is plus 12, right? So that is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. This is also fine. Clear? Alright. Then I am going to have x divided by, what is this? Minus 18 plus 4 means it is going to be minus 14. And that is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. This minus and minus get cancelled. No, this much you should be knowing if you have reached 10th standard. Okay, then I am going to have x is equal to, I am going to send this 14. That's it, only one remains there. So x is equal to 14. I got x equal to 14. You can have a look at this and you can calculate also, no problem. Then after that, y divided by minus 4 plus 12 is like this is like 8, no? Minus 4 plus 12 is 12 minus 4 is like 8, right? So divided by 1 minus 1. So y is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 is like minus 1 only. If you send this side, it becomes into, right? So y is equal to minus 1 into it is like minus 8. So this is the value of y. Now you can check with both these equations, and it must be correct. Alright dear children, I hope you got to know how to do the cross multiplication method. Just to keep it very simple, first of all bring it in this form, then find out a1, b1, c1. Similarly, second equation you can bring it in standard form, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then write a2, b2, c2. Then write x, y1. Then after that start from b. b1, c1, a1, b1. b, c, a, b. Here also b, c, a, b. That is b2, c2, a2, b2. Then do like this for this method. I hope everybody got it. You need to have a solid practice on this cross multiplication method if you want to solve it without any mistakes. Yes or no? So solving it without any mistake is very, very important here. I hope you understood substitution method and cross multiplication method. There are so many problems in your NCERT textbook also, all exercises. Exercises are not for me, dear children. Those exercises are for you. Remember that. Okay. So solve by cross multiplication method. So I am going to give you some examples. The first one is like x minus y minus 6 equal to 4 and x plus 4y is equal to 6. And second, do this. Bring them in standard form. You know how to bring them in standard form, right? Then do it like x by 2 plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 3. Do this. And third one, x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 3. Do this. Okay, and along with this I am going to have one more thing, that is y by 2 is equal to x by 2 plus let me take it as 4. Okay, do this things. You can do it very in simple way also. I have solved one simple method. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Sir, this homework third question I am not understanding. Then definitely I am going to solve those questions for you. I hope today's session was all about substitution method and cross multiplication method. I have solved and I have told you how to do that. Then I have given you some very tricky problems which you have to try to get all these things. So till then, keep on studying, dear children. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.